Tired of Doordash rejecting your Cash App card? Let's unlock the secrets to getting that food delivered using your Cash App balance. First, open your Doordash app and start building your delicious order. Fill that cart with whatever your heart desires. Now hop over to your Cash App. Look for the Cash Card tab. Usually located on the bottom of your screen, it might look like a debit card icon. Tap on that. Here's the magic. Reveal your Cash Card details. That includes your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Don't worry, I'm hiding the sensitive parts in this video for security. Copy these details down or keep this screen open. Now go back to Doordash and head to the checkout screen. When it asks for your payment information, manually enter the Cash Card details you just copied. Treat it like a regular debit or credit card. Make sure you have enough money in your Cash App balance to cover the entire Doordash order, including fees and tip. Otherwise, the transaction will be declined. If you don't have a physical card or just want to be extra safe, Cash App also lets you create a virtual card. The steps are very similar. Just look for an option to create a virtual card within the Cash Card section of the app. And that's it. Place your order and patiently await your delivery. Enjoy your meal and the satisfaction of conquering Cash App on Doordash.